Today, I have on board by far one of the largest projects in Asia that is spreading across, ready to spread their influence to Europe and other parts of the world. Now, a PlugChain is interconnecting blockchain with real world interaction, real world data, real world assets. And it is an open source layer zero blockchain that's going to come with fast transaction speeds and low cost. So you're going to quickly peruse through the things that blockchain has for us and how this token has the potential, not just a token, but the project has the potential to make a moonshot from the current price sitting at 13 cents and an 8. The legend here, stay tuned. Welcome to Crypto Wealthy. So Oracle that's built on blockchain is designed to enable interactions between multiple blockchains. So in the very near future, you're going to have you being able to move money from Ethereum network to Binance Smart Chain seamlessly, or Binance Smart Chain to Avax network or any other one seamlessly. So that is what they are working on. It will also be deployed for use, and it says it has high performance public chain dedicated to information and data interaction. You're going to have access to every single data, the most vital and the ones that are not too vital. You're still going to have information on all those things on the blockchain, and this is accessible at PlugChain.network. We will be looking at that as well. These are services that are going to provide smart contract IDE. They're going to provide contract samples and templates, contract SDKs, integrated developer environments. These things are quite technical for the layman to understand, but you could also click on them to read about them. Okay. Now, with a blockchain platform construction, you're going to have several features on it: the dApp deployment, the node management. I think you should also spend time to read on nodes in the crypto space, smart contract development, and all that. So, I believe that very soon other tokens can also deploy on their chain. All right, so in order to use them, because I mean that is the essence of having blockchains, to get other projects to also deploy on your chain. Then blockchain is going to have for the core advantages that really comes as benefit to you and I. They're going to have multi-chain and cross-chain, like I said, moving from maybe Ethereum or Thor to some other network. Okay, all right, and they have achieved 10,000 transactions per second. That is a TPS processing capabilities. So instead of having maybe just about 10 transactions being processed in 1 second every single second, they have achieved 10,000 transactions per second, and I think that's an amazing feat. So this led my curiosity to check out, because I have many windows open, so we are going to go through a lot to check out what it was for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. And I saw that Bitcoin was 70 PS7 transactions per second. And it says that the Bitcoin community has come up with Lightning Network as a way to dramatically increase the performance, bringing BTC transaction time below 1 minute to 10,000. So they are trying to achieve what blockchain has also achieved. And Ethereum is 25 TPS. And then coming down, Litecoin being 56, 300 for Bitcoin Cash, 224 for Bitcoin SV, 4 for Monero. And then going down other networks, you see them, they have 25, 56, and all that. Blockchain has done well by achieving 10,000 transactions per second, and this is the interface of their blockchain. All right, so we will be looking at it right after talking about this. Okay, so basically that's it. You can access the white paper here, the applications, the blockchain browser, the ONP Oracle. For GitHub, that is for devs who want to also know the codes, if they could contribute something. It's also made public on GitHub via this. I'll leave this in the video description, so if you are a technical person, you're into developments, coding, you can check that out. Now this is the interface. From here you can see the transactions taking place, the latest block. The blocks are always building up, and so far we've had 2.9 million blocks, and all the latest blocks and the block timestamps at which they were created are here, the producers, the block IDs, and so on and so forth. So we also have the price, the market value, total supply, the total value log being 3.2 billion. So there's a huge project that I think we could also look at as a long-term investment. This is not some pump and dump. This is a solid long-term project for not just Asia, but for the whole world at large. And then for Twitter following, we have 54.3k. Like I said, it's a huge project. And then Telegram, 32,083, 1.7k online. If I refresh, I'm sure we see more people joining. And there you have it, and 92. So more people are joining. This is their Medium section where you can read all these articles being listed on Bitmart, featured on Cointelegraph's main page, AMA recap, and even they have all their AMS put back on YouTube. So you could spend time to go through this. They are, like I said, an open source layer 0 blockchain with low gas fees, right? You could also join them on Reddit, follow them, and follow everything they post about. They also have a few articles about Yahoo Finance, PlugChain's first step on global adoption. So like I said, they are trying to target the global market starting from Asia, because they have their root source in Asia. So what is special about it, you could spend time to read, or even pause the video at this point to read everything. So after its 1 month launch, it's gotten more than 10,000 users across the globe. So this is something that people are still currently using. It's not something to be used, but it's still being in use. And I think it's going to get interesting along the line, and we hope to see more developments come up. Right, they have another one, Yahoo Finance, ca.yahoo finance, or finance.yahoo, and they have an article, almost the same thing, being listed on L-Bank, being listed on Hotbit. I'm going to show you shortly. They have also another one, Alpha Hatch funding $10 million to drive PlugChain global eco-technology development. So Alpha Hatch also believes in this project, and they put in 10 million to make it go global with all its latest developments. Right, and not to just sound only official and formal, they have a casual wrap for the PlugChain project. So let's listen to just a little bit of it and we move on. Interesting.
Off with a plug to the chain, only for introduction, ain't new to the game, it's non-central. I ain't got a mission and name, better got your full attention, cause we ain't gonna stay, and I ain't gonna complain, ever since I tapped in, life ain't been keeping the same, and I'm aware of the stakes, but I'ma leave it to the crew to finish up the explain.
Alright, and you're gonna have raps in different languages. We also have other videos on AMAs they've had, the company management, the bosses, and the other team members, and also influencers that have been brought on board to the project. I think 13 cents currently is undervalued for such a project, and possibly when it lists on Binance, you should have it skyrocketing on the first candle. So it will be interesting to buy and hold this project. So if you're on Hotbit, L-Bank, you've signed up or registered, this is not financial advice, but then you could consider buying. Okay, I don't give financial advice, I'm just doing the introduction. So this sits at 13 cents and an 8.7, okay, which I think is going to go up in the future. They also listed on CoinMarketCap, same price. In 24 hours, it's had a volume of 2.9. It's increased by 44%. So I think it's going to go up. It's good. It's good. All right. And then also we have it on CoinGecko. You see that they have the apps available for Windows, for Android, and then for Mac OS operating system. So thank you very much, and let me know your thoughts about PlugChain. You can also join the group on Telegram. You can find all relevant links of this video down in the video description. Right, so thank you so much for watching. Drop a like and I'll see you at the top. Then legend, thanks for watching. Bye.